Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, and today we present Sneaker Sundays. In this episode of Sneaker Sunday, we're talking about the Air Max 97s Italy, not the silver ones, the gold ones. I was able to get my hands on a pair from my man Omar. Thank you all for letting me borrow those. About to do a review on those, so let's take a look at the shoe. Okay, so as you can see, they obviously came out overseas. My man O was able to get his hands on a pair. They came in a fancy box, as you can see, blue box. I don't know what site he got them from, but they came, whatever site he got these from, man, they came in a good wrap, nice bow tie wrap and all that. So, it's kind of fancy. We ain't getting this type of stuff in the United States. We order something in the United States, you just come with the box. We lucky if they double box it. So, just give me some time. It's gonna take me some time to get out the box. But, so, here's the shoe. You see, comes in a typical red, type orange, Nike box, sportswear box. That's what they call it now. Size 8, my man O's a size 8. Okay. Ooh. It came with a nice pull tag on it, as you can see. Nice pull tag, as you can see, it has the Italy pull tag right here in the back. Got it right here on the tongue also too. This came from the website that he got these from. This shoe is actually, it reminds me exactly of the regular gold 97s. But these, it just has a little bit different stuff going on. Only difference is, got the pull tag. The bottoms are exactly the same. And yeah, just the pull tag is different. That's all. It's the only thing that's different on this shoe. But overall, I'm not a big fan of the 97s at all. I feel like the toe box is a little too tight. I don't tie my shoestring, so actually wearing a pair of 97s is kind of out of the question for me because I don't tie my shoestring. I like to keep them loose. And with the 97s, more than likely you have to tie the shoestrings to keep them, keep that swag going on them. But yeah, to me this is just a normal 97 to me. I don't know how you guys may feel about it, but the only difference is it's just here, and then the pull tag back here has the Mexican colors on it. I'm sorry, the Italian colors on it. That's the only difference to me in this shoe. But other than that, it's a pretty dope shoe. It's supposed to be a restock of the normal gold ones coming out again. The gold did really well when they came out a couple months back. They came out and they sold out immediately. So with that being said, I guess Nike had some extra ones in the bag, and they was like, just let's change this stuff up, put some stuff on here, and then we just call it the Italy pair, to make some extra revenue. Not mad at Nike for that, but not a big fan of the 97. But this is a clean shoe. If you're a fan of the 97, this is definitely a must-have. If you were able to get your hands on a pair, great job. It's definitely a must-have. But other than that, man, it's pretty much the same everything on there. If you look, see you see the gold in there. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty much the same exact shoe as the OG gold 97s. But if you're a fan of 97, like I said, this is a must-have. You must get your hands on this shoe because it's a collector's item. They also have a silver one either coming out or it came out around the same time as these gold ones. I'm not sure. Might want to look into that. But other than that, man, it's definitely a good shoe. It's a good shoe, but I'm not a fan of 97, so I'm gonna say I went cop. But yeah, man, this is clean, man. This is a clean cop right here. If you're a 97 fan, there's gonna be a lot of 97s, a lot of 98s, 95s. I'm hearing them coming back. You got Air Max 1s coming out. It's gonna be a big year for Nike this year, if anything that has an air bubble. So be on the lookout for that. If you're a big Nike running fan, they got a lot of classic shoes. So so be on the lookout for that, man. Definitely a good shoe. Definitely. I don't like it though. I'm not a 97 guy. I'm an Air Max 1 guy, 95 guy. I like the 98s too, but The Air Max 1 and 95s are my shoe of choice if you want to go with some Nike running shoes. But let us know what you guys think. If you guys think it's a good shoe, you think it's a good cop, you think it's a must-have, let us know. If you don't like the shoe, also let us know. Leave it in the comments below. Let us know what you guys think about the Sneaker Sunday, segment that we have going on. Do you feel like you like it? Do you feel like you like the shoes that we're doing Sneaker Sundays on? If you have some suggestions, leave it in the comments below. I can get my hands on pretty much a lot of shoes. So if you want me to do a review on it, just let me know. I'll get my hands on the shoe and then we can do the review. If you guys want to buy any of the Penny for Your Thoughts merch, I have a Penny for Your Thoughts merch hat on. See, I got the camel with the orange letters on right now. If you want to buy any Penny for Your Thoughts merch, we can reach us at our email at p4yt2016@gmail.com. Also, you can reach us on Instagram at p4yt2016, also as Twitter on the same handle at p4yt2016. And always remember, we keeping them 100 and not a penny less. Peace.